Okay, so today our topic is all about proving congruence triangle. Let's define first secondary parts of a triangle. So last meeting I discussed already about the basic parts of a triangle. So what are the three basic parts of a triangle? Give me one, Origin. Angles. Ano pa po? Briones. Point or what we call the vertex, di ba? The vertices. And the last one is the side. So again, the three basic parts of a triangle are the angles, vertices, and the sides. So this time class, our topic is the secondary parts of a triangle. So I have here triangle KAE. Okay, so we're going to use triangle KAE, okay, to identify the secondary parts of a triangle. So the first one is what we call the median. When we say median, it is a segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite sides. Okay, now the question is, what is a midpoint? Midpoint, it is a point that divides the segment into two congruent parts. So meaning, using this triangle, okay, the midpoint is point Y. So si point Y ay nasa gitna ng ano pong segment? Segment AE. Meaning, point Y is the midpoint of segment AE. Why? Kasi si point Y po ay hinati si segment AE sa ilan? Dalawa. At ano po yung dalawang segment na yon? Segment AY and segment EY. So therefore, point Y is the midpoint of segment AE. Now again, what is the median? When we say median, it is a segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint. So now, based on the given illustration, we can say that our median is what? Very good. Segment KY. This is the vertex, point K. And this is the midpoint. Pag kinonect mo sila anak, makaka-form tayo ng segment. And siya na si segment, ang ating median. Because a segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So therefore, if point Y is the midpoint of segment AE, we can say that segment KY is the median of triangle KAE. Thus, we can say that segment AY is congruent to segment EY. Bakit congruent sila? Kasi nga po, si point Y ay midpoint. Question? Now, let us proceed by the segment bisector. When we say segment bisector, a line, ray, or segment which cuts another line, segment into two equal parts. Okay. When we say segment bisector, when we say bisect, hinati. Yung alin po? Yung segment. Sino humati? Yung isa pang segment. So meaning, a line, array, or a segment which cut another line segment into two equal parts. So based on the given illustration, okay, so our segment bisector is segment KY. Bakit? Kasi po si segment KY ay kinat niya ang anong segment? AE. Very good. At nahati si AE sa ilan? Dalawa. Therefore, we can say that segment KY is the segment bisector of segment AE. Thus, we can say also that segment AY is congruent to segment EY. Ma'am, bakit parang parehas po yung median tsaka segment bisector? Okay. So, may difference sila. So, parehas yung sagot natin sa median at sa segment bisector. Depende na lang po yan sa pagde-define. Pag sinabi anak natin na median, may word tayong makikita na midpoint. Meaning, ang median ay segment, galing saan yung segment? Sa vertex at sa midpoint. Pag sinabi naman natin anak na segment bisector, ang pinag-uusapan segment. At kumat yung isa pang segment, meaning segment to segment. Dito sa median, vertex to midpoint, tapos segment yung kinat. Question about the difference. Naintindihan po? When we say median, papasok si midpoint. Pag segment bisector, segment ang tinutukoy. Next, number 3, angle bisector. Angle bisector, meaning ano ang binisect? Angle. Ano ang bumisect? Segment. A segment that divides the angle into two congruent parts. Again, using triangle KAE, how many angles do we have? 3 angles. So what are the 3 angles? angle A, angle K, angle E. Now, based on the given illustration, ano kaya anak yung angle na kinat? Very good. Angle K. At anong segment ang kumat kay angle K? Segment K, Y. Therefore, segment KY is what we call the angle bisector. Now, kung kinat si angle K, meaning nahati si angle K sa ilan? Okay. At anong name ng dalawang angle na yon? Angle, o using 3 letters anak. Di ba si angle K, this is angle K. We can name angle K as angle A, KE, or angle EKA. So, ang angle pwedeng 3 letters, pwedeng 1 letter. Okay, now, sabi natin si angle K ay nahati sa dalawa. Ano po yung dalawang angle na tinutukoy na yon? Angle? Very good. A, K, Y, and angle EKY. They are equal. Do you understand? And again, what is the angle bisector? Segment KY. Question. Okay, and the last one is the perpendicular bisector. Or when we say perpendicular bisector, a segment that form a right angle. Meaning, dalawang line segment na nag-intersect at naka-form ng ano po? Ng right angle. What is the measure of a right angle? 90 degree. O based on the given, what do you think is the perpendicular bisector? Si KY pa rin. Segment KY is the perpendicular bisector. So kung si segment KY ay binisect niya si segment AE at naka-form ng right angle, ang tawag na kay segment KY ay perpendicular bisector. At ano yung dalawang right angle? Ha? At ano yung dalawang right angle na tinutukoy? Angle K, YE, ito po yun. At angle KYE, ito po yung isa. Any question about the secondary parts?